Hello and welcome to All the Gear, Some Idea. If you're looking at me and going, this bloke never changes his clothes, it's because I'm recording multiple videos in about 1 or 2 days. So I'll wear the same clothes on one and not on the other, and you get me. So just remove the frame and the wiring loom. I haven't looked at the video yet. I'm hoping that I can make something good out of it so that you can got something you actually enjoy to watch. It might be very long, but it's interesting to see how the frame comes off. I said on the next video, which is this one, we're going to be looking at the shaft drive unit, which we will be doing. So we've got, I think, maybe remove the exhaust. We might be lucky and get the wheel out without doing that. So we need to remove the wheel, the shock, the brake, and then pull the shaft drive apart. So without further ado, let's check that out. Okay, so what we're going to do is remove the shock to start with. Like so. Now I have already been round and loosened some of the stuff we've got to remove, just so it makes it easier for the video. Right, next we will take off the rear brake. So we take off the rear set first. It's a glorious day, but it is very hot. I'm not saying I want it to be cold, just saying it's very hot. Not one of those people that moans that it's too hot. I'm just saying it's very hot before you come at me with the criticism. So, still really excited about the bike. Obviously, not done much. I've not done any research into what I need to buy or anything like that. It's more of a strip down and see. I can make notes of what I need to get for the bike. I can just do what I need to do with it. So it's going to be a slow process. There may be other bikes in between we do stuff on. There may be other cars. But this will be my main project. So it won't be a quick thing. I just said that. I'm repeating myself. That's how I know it's hot. I keep talking the same thing. Right. Get with it. Come on. Let's grab the right size Allen key. Hoping I can get this out because it's snapped off the base of the battery tray. There we go. Okay, so that's all that off. And then we need to undo the caliper. This is the speedo wiring. I'm not inclined right now to undo the bolt. I'm going to have to at some point. Cool, and now we're going to go around the other side and hopefully take the wheel off. So, I think you can do this with your fingers. Oh, that's good. So that's just broken in my hand, but we can fix that. It's not missing it, which is a bonus. I think they're going to be 17s. Now, I've just put my gun on charge because it died earlier. I didn't think I was going to need it. But sod's law, I do. So hopefully we can break these loose. And I've realised I've taken the brake off. So maybe if you're doing it yourself, don't do the brake off before you do this. Oh. Perfect. They're bloody long, aren't they? There should be a spacer in here as well. Behind this wheel. Okay, so that's staying in there. Okay, cool. And then I'm hoping I can grab a ratchet. I know the last one has been rounded off, not by me, so it is rounded off, but as you just saw then, some mole grips helped. I think I might have enough to stick that back in there. And now, hoping by moving this stuff out of the way, so it has got grease in there. To me, they look alright. Need cleaning out though, because there's a lot of grease in there, and then put the proper stuff back in it again. Let's check the actual driver unit itself. Okay, so I've cleaned it off a little bit. Definitely is cleaning out in there. But yeah, the splines themselves all look good. So what you're looking for in this unit is any play in that there, which there isn't any, and also on these splines to make sure they're not like worn down, but these all look really good. And then the same on the spline in here as well. You want to make sure these are really nice. I think someone's just filled it with copper grease mine. So as Chris Harris said on one of his videos that me and Lee watched, you've got to be shitting me. At least this one's not dry like his was, but I've also noticed there's a bolt missing, maybe. So he's looking to that. I think that's what holds this unit here in. It does all this crap. So yeah. Okay, so as you'd have just seen, the splines and that inside that drive look all good. I've rebolted it back on, everything's back together now because my next stage, so the next video, I don't think this was very long, but as I say, doing bits in stages. I'm going to be removing the gearbox, the alternator and the starter motor, get that off, and then that will then stay apart. That then leaves me with just the engine, and then the next video will be me after that one. So yeah, if you're still following along my journey, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time putting the gearbox out. Thank you.